Now we're looking at the whale heating and hot water. To bring the panel on, we need the control panel turned on. We then wave our hand in front of it and it'll bring the system on. Heating system has the arrows going up from the bottom. We can run it on electric, we can run it on gas, and we can work it on both if we need to. When it's blue, it is on. When it fires up, it'll go orange. To turn it up on the electric, hold our finger on it, we'll get 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, which is 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt. We then just adjust our temperature by pressing the plus or the minus. And that'll turn our heating up or down. When it gets that temperature, it'll then shut off, it'll go back to blue, and then fire back up on orange as it cools down. Turn it all the way down to the moon, that is the nighttime mode, so that will make the fan quieter so it's not blowing all night. When you want to leave the heating on through the winter months, either plugged in or on the gas, you can then set it onto the frost setting, and that will just kick in and out to stop the van getting damp inside. To turn it off, we just touch on those to make sure they're black, that is the system turned off. Always shut the system down before you unplug the mains or turn the gas off or start the engine, otherwise you'll put it into an error. When it goes into an error, you'll get a red exclamation mark just above the gas symbol. If you do get the error symbol, just press and hold at the bottom on the black button for 3 seconds and let go, and that'll reset it. But if you shut it down before you unplug or turn the gas off or start the engine, you will not get an error. Now we're looking at the whale hot water system. We know it's hot water because it has a water droplet in the middle of the screen there. Just wave your hand in front of it to bring it on. Working it on electric, working it on gas, or you can have it on both if you wish. It'll be blue when you switch it on, it'll go to amber when it fires up. Holding your finger on the electric one will go 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, which is 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt, depending on the campsite you're on. Turn the hot water up. If it's round at 3 o'clock, that is 60 degrees water. If it's at 1 o'clock, that is 40 degrees water. And down on the frost symbol is just a frost protection. The water heater is actually underneath the van. To stop it getting frost damage, make sure the water heater is turned on, so these symbols are lit up, and make sure it is on the frost symbol or on the 40 or 60, and that will stop it getting frost damage. It will warm you 8 litres of hot water, and as you use it, it will replenish it. Always make sure you turn it off before you unplug your mains, turn your gas off or start your engine. Turn it off, you just make sure both of those are black and that is turned off. If you don't, you'll get a error symbol appear above the gas symbol. To get rid of the error symbol, press and hold on the black button at the bottom for 3 seconds and let go. So your water heater is positioned in the floor. That is the black unit here. The boiler drain is the yellow tap. If it's in line with the unit, that is in the closed position, you can use the water heater. With the tap turned across the unit, that is open, that is drain the boiler. Always drain it down in winter, and when you're not using it, we drain down in winter because of frost damage. If water is left in the water heater and it being underneath the vehicle, there is a chance of it getting frost damage.